Hi, my name is Breck. I have Red Bison Home in downtown Cheyenne. We've been open here for almost 3 years. I work and play in Cheyenne because it's been a home for so long for me. It's a great tight-knit community, the business community as well as just in general. And yeah, you can't beat our summers. I love working the shop during the summertime, the tourists coming through, and it's just a business that I love to do, and this is the town that I love and grew up in. So Red Bison Home is an eclectic mix of furniture, lighting, art, locally made art in many cases, and we do interior design. We resource products in, we custom make products. Pretty much whatever you need for the home, Red Bison has it for you. So I would say if I do get to go out some and play any, it's going to be at Curt Gowdy, do some trails and hiking, and then yeah, just explore what Cheyenne has to offer in terms of breweries and dining. You know, there's more and more concerts going on these days, so that's also nice. So it's fun. When people visit Cheyenne in general, I've experienced a lot of conversations where people just fall in love with Cheyenne, and I think the lifestyle that our city and state offers is amazing. And I think, you know, living and working here is a great lifestyle. It's slow pace and lots of benefits.